You know which is the mineral that is present in common salt? Sodium is the major mineral that is present in common salt in the form of sodium chloride, and we obtain salt from seawater or from the mines. And 50% of the sodium is present in the extracellular fluids. Any amount of salt that is eaten by us is absorbed into the body. That is dangerous. Sodium is the main regulator of the extracellular fluid. It also regulates the acid base balance and the osmotic pressure. Here, kidneys play an important role in maintaining the acid base balance. And sodium helps in the absorption of other nutrients like the glucose, amino acids in the small intestines. Important for the conduction of nerve impulses and muscle contraction. About one third to half of the salt is got from the salt that is used for cooking and the one which is used for sprinkling on the foods. 1 teaspoon contains 6 grams of salt, which contains 2300 milligrams of sodium in it. The other sources are the sodium benzoate that is used as a preservative, baking soda, which is the sodium bicarbonate. Other foods are the salted foods, pickles, then cheese, and you have the bacon, ham. Such foods are rich in salt. Recommended allowance is less than 5 grams per day for an adult, and the persons who work in hot climatic conditions who perspire more require more amount of salt. Some tips to lower the salt intake: you don't keep the salt on the dining table. Avoid sprinkling salt on salads. Instead, you can add some herbs, lemon, garlic, ginger, etc. to compensate the lack of salt. Reduce the intake of the processed foods. Read the label for the sodium content. So if you use less amount of salt, you will be avoiding the risk of hypertension and stroke. So beware of salt.